With September now behind us, gold has posted losses for 6 straight months. The last time something like that happened was in 2018, and it marked the end of a bear market for gold. So, could we see the end of a major sell-off here? There were critical price gains this week that could potentially signal a significant turnaround for the precious metal. Key developments helping gold prices are the contagion risk from the volatility in the UK markets and escalating geopolitical tensions. Here's a look at Kitco's top 3 stories of the week. At number 3, chaos in the UK is helping gold recover. Bank of England was forced to intervene with an emergency bond buying program this week. The bailout will last until October 14th and cost nearly $70 billion. This was done to calm the UK markets after a rout following a massive tax cut proposal introduced by the new Prime Minister Liz Truss. With just over 3 weeks in office, Truss is facing a collapse in the pound, a massive market sell-off, and deep recession risks. At number 2, the worst is yet to come, according to the latest economic outlook by Credit Suisse. The euro area and the UK are already in a recession. China is in a growth recession, and the US is flirting with a recession, the report says. Credit Suisse is downgrading global GDP to 2.6% this year and sees US growth close to 0. And coming in at number 1, billionaire investor John Paulson weighs in on gold. He is the investor who called the housing bubble almost 2 decades ago and made a fortune by shorting mortgage securities. According to him, gold is a good hedge against inflation. But the main problem has been that the current inflation rate is high while the long-term inflation expectations are still very low. And that does nothing for gold. But when it becomes clear that the Fed failed and it can't bring inflation down to its 2% target, the long-term inflation expectations will rise and move gold convincingly higher. That's a look at our top 3 stories of the week. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and for more headlines, check out Kitco.com.